Ni mathiko maria maraihũirwo ni itu ria kieha arata na family a Emmanuel Kirui maririkana njĩra ĩrĩa oragirwo nayo ni mũndũ ũrĩkĩtie gũikio ngono agĩkwĩrwo kũraga na kũrenga mũtwe wa Kirui na kũikia thaburia na gũcoka kũtiga nja ya mũciĩ ũmwe ya mũndũ kũrerĩkana macongoiranaga na mwĩkũĩrwo.
Maneno kama haya tutahakikisha kwamba hawa wakora wote, yule vijana walifanya hii kambi, tutaweka yeye ndani na justice kwa hiyo familia mutapata. Nimesikia
wale maaskari wote wako hapa Fortena watolewe kwa haraka.
Mũingĩ hamwe na atongoria arĩa mekinyĩtie mathiko maya morĩtie rũhonge rwa ũgitĩri rũmacenjerie maabitha ũgitĩri matũra macio makiuga ni makoretwo makĩgucia wĩra-inĩ wao.
Tunasema wote wafagiliwe, waletwe wengine watufanyie kazi. Hatutaki askari wenye wanazembea eneo hii. Hii eneo ya kusanya ushuru ya tumbo yao. Si wako na mshahara. Mbona washike bodaboda hapo chini? Sijui washike nani? Ikifika wakati kama huu wanapotea.
I want to call upon the National Police Service, the people who are in charge of criminal investigation in this Republic of Kenya, the judiciary, that whatever has happened here in Kipkelion should be the last that is happening in this republic.
Ohomorĩtie thirikari ndigatigithĩrie hoka nĩ gwetha kĩhoto gĩa Kirui magĩkwĩratiria mbere mwĩkũĩrwo gũtabania njũragano mũthemba ũcio amu matũra macio kwĩna andũ makoretwo magĩkorwo moragĩtwo na njĩra ĩna magigi.
To get justice is that guy not to be released on bond like the initial crime he has committed, whereby he was released on bond. So today we want to tell to the criminal investigation officers, we want to tell the head of public prosecution and the churches who will be involved that this criminal is a dangerous one. Let him not be released in but whatsoever.
Reporter Inoro TV, Jetagwo Jenga, Oaboy.